Today I'm going to do mole concept from some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, students. So, students, when we are talking about the mole concept, you see, all of you, I'm writing there mole concept. So, before starting the mole concept, first question arises that what is the meaning of mole? Why this mole concept is necessary to use? So many things are coming to our mind. I will tell you, student. First of all, one by one we will do. Try to understand. Mole is just like an dozen. Just like an dozen. Just like as you study in a 10th class or 9th class, that one mole is containing 6.0 2 to 10 raised to power 23 particles. Particle means it can be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons. Okay, doesn't means there is a 12 things. It can be pencil, 12 books, anything else. So means like that analogy is there. Mole and dozen. As we remembering ki dozen always 12 thing, just always remember like that mole is always a 6.022 to 10 raised to power 23 particles always. Just remember it. Or you can say, okay, so that is why to the mole you can say chemist's dozen. What you can say there? Chemist. Yeah, chemist dozen. Is that clear to you? What you can say to it? Chemist dozen. You can say it like this way also. Okay, students, yes or no? Are you getting my point? Okay, then after that we will do now you just see there. Suppose हमने 9th class में पढ़ा है 6.022 to 10 raised to power 23, but we never think that कि how it came, how this value came. Let it be we are finding out for carbon atoms. Okay, let it be here I am writing number of carbon atoms. When I am writing number of carbon atoms, then what does it mean? It means gram atomic mass of carbon atom upon mass of one carbon atom. Okay, gram atomic mass of carbon atom upon mass of one carbon atom. Mass of one carbon atom, and I will tell you, students, the gram atomic mass of carbon everybody is knowing that is at 12 gram. Okay, and mass of one carbon atom is equal to that. You should have to remember always 1.9924 into 10 raised to power minus 23 gram. Okay, and what the answer is coming after solving this one? I am getting 6.022 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms. Is that clear? 6.022 10 raised to power 23 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms. Okay, yes or no? This much atoms we are getting, so we can do it for any element, and always we will get what? 6.022 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Okay, so it means what we can say? Okay, one mole will be equal to 6.022 10 raised to power 23 particles. We are saying now particle means it can be atoms, okay, or it can be 6.022 10 raised to power 23. It can be molecules, or 6.022 10 raised to power 23. It can be ions, or 6.022 10 raised to power 23 electrons. Okay, like this way we can write. And might be you know very well this value 6.022 10 raised to power 23 is also called Avogadro's number. What do you call it? Yes, you can call it Avogadro's number. Is that clear? Oh, yes or no? Are you getting my point? Are you okay? Okay, you see, all of you, please. After that, question arises that what is the need of this mole concept? Why there is a need of मोल कंसेप्ट? ठीक है, अब मोल कंसेप्ट की हमें ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी? बेटा मोल कंसेप्ट की ज़रूरत इसलिए पड़ी बिकॉज एज वी नो वेरी वेल द एटम्स आर वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. एटम्स आर very very small. Can you count them individually? Can we count them individually? Yes or no? Tell me beta. Can we count them? No, we can't count them. Okay, it is not possible to count these particles individually. Okay, so overall what we are writing 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23. That is why mole concept has been needed. Okay student, after that just remember that gram atomic mass will equal to 1 mole. 1 mole means 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23 particles. Okay, same way these all examples we will do in the numerical also. Gram molecular mass is equal to what? 1 mole, that is equal to 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23 particles. Is that clear? Yes or no? Gram atomic mass is equal to 1 mole equal to 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23 particles, and gram molecular mass is equal to also 1 mole 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23 particle. Okay student, just remember these things. Okay, after that beta, after that what will happen, sometime they have given us a volume. Okay, or in case of gases, then what we are going to do over there in case of the gases, I will tell you. Please write down, you may write over there that volume in terms of moles. What we can write? Volume in terms of mole. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the volume in terms of mole, to just remember one thing, that gram, see all of you, gram molecular mass of the gas is equal to gram molecular volume. But a gram molecular volume is also called gram volume or molar volume. Sorry, it is also called molar volume, and whose value is 22.4 liters. Very very important number, 22.4 liter. And just remember one thing, this is 22.4 liter is at what? This is at NTP or STP, at NTP or at STP. What is the full form of NTP? NTP means normal temperature and pressure. Okay, STP means standard temperature and pressure. STP means standard temperature and pressure. We can use NTP or we can write STP. Okay, then question arises, sir, what is the normal temperature and what is the normal pressure? But a normal temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, that is equal to 273 Kelvin. That is equal to 273 Kelvin. And normal pressure normal pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. Okay, that is equal 1 atmosphere or 760 mm of mercury. Is it clear? Yes or no? This is a normal temperature and normal pressure we have written. So students, before starting the mole concept, these things you should have to know. Now I will discuss few formulas for you people that we can use in a mole concept. Just remember that formulas and it will be helpful to you to solve the mole concept numerical. Just remember one thing, if there is number of molecules is equal to moles into Avogadro's number. Now what is the formula of moles? Moles कैसे निकालेंगे? Moles is always equal to given mass upon molar mass. Clear? And Avogadro's number is always equal to 6.022 10 raised to power 23. What is it? 6.022 10 raised to power 23. Is it clear? Just remember. Okay. Now next formula is here that I am writing there. Okay, that one I am writing. If there is a number of atoms के लिए भी सेम ही है बेटा. Here we will write moles into Avogadro's number, and Avogadro's number value will remain same. Here moles will be equal to given mass upon atomic mass, and Avogadro's number will be equal to 6.022 10 raised to power 23. Yes or no? Particles. Is that clear? So these are the formula that just we have to remember. So student, this was the introduction of mole concept. In next video we are going to start the numericals. Thank you very much to all of you.